Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to save web pages to Evernote using the Web Clipper extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chromewebstore.google.com. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type Evernote Web Clipper, then press enter to search for the extension. This tool is incredibly useful because it lets you capture any web page directly into your Evernote account for later reference. From the search results that appear, click on Evernote Web Clipper to open its extension page. This will show you details about what the extension does and how many people use it. Now, click Add to Chrome to begin installing the extension. A confirmation pop-up will appear at the top of your browser asking you to verify the installation. Go ahead and click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will now be added to your browser and you'll be ready to start clipping web pages. Next, open a new tab and navigate to the web page you want to save. This could be an article you want to read later, a recipe, a research page, or anything else you'd like to keep in your Evernote account. Once the page is loaded, look in the upper right corner of your browser and click the Extensions button, then select Evernote Web Clipper from the list. This will open the clipping interface in a right side panel. Now here's where you get to customize how you save the page. In the right panel, you'll see several clip format options. Article saves the main content of the page, Simplified Article removes ads and extra content for a cleaner view. Full Page saves the entire page exactly as it appears. Bookmark saves only the website link, and Screenshot saves the page as an image. Choose your preferred clip format from the list based on what you need. Below the clip format options, navigate to the Save To section. Click the drop-down menu below it and choose your preferred notebook from the list. This determines where in your Evernote account the clipped page will be stored. Optionally, you'll also see sections for tasks, tags, and notes or comments that you can add if you want to organize your content further or add context. Once you've configured everything, click Save Clip in the upper right corner. You'll need to wait a few seconds while the extension syncs your clipped content to your Evernote account. After the sync completes, you'll see options in the right panel. Click Open in Evernote app if you've already installed Evernote on your PC, or select Open in Evernote Web if you haven't downloaded it yet. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Open Evernote to proceed. From here, you can edit the notes if you want to make any changes or add additional information. If you'd like to copy or share the URL link with others, simply click the three dotted lines in the upper right corner, then select Copy Link. This gives you a shareable link that you can send to colleagues or save elsewhere. And that's it. You've successfully saved a web page to Evernote and now have quick access to it whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.